$50 million hazard pay grant for Pennsylvania's frontline workers in life-sustaining industries. In Swarthmore, Bureau Chief Myla Simbulan has the details. Myla?
Thanks, Anna. Through the Federal Coronavirus Aid, Relief and Economic Security, or what we call CARES Act, $50 million hazard pay will be provided for Pennsylvania's frontline workers in life-sustaining industries. This was announced by Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf. Let's take a look.
So today I'm going to be announcing, and Carol, we're announcing that the General Assembly and I have taken $50 million from CARES Act funding, and we're directing that to provide hazard pay to the folks who do the things that we need them to do to keep us all alive. This funding is going to provide eligible employees with up to $3 an hour for all those making less than $20 an hour or less, or a $1,200 total pay increase over the upcoming 10-week period. This funding is going to be directed to employees, but it's going to run through the employers, and the Department of Community and Economic Development will be accepting applications from these employers, the businesses, healthcare systems, nonprofits, transportation organizations, and economic development corporations who are working on behalf of a group of businesses or healthcare nonprofits. We will work to distribute this funding to these groups quickly so that we can get it into the hands of employees as quickly as possible. This hazard pay is going to help these hardworking employees offset costs related to working through the COVID-19 pandemics, the expenses such as buying masks, taking alternative forms of transportation, and finding childcare. More importantly, it's going to serve as a thank you from the people of Pennsylvania, 13 million Pennsylvanians, from all of us to those who worked on the front lines, who took these risks, and who we sometimes, I think, took for granted throughout this pandemic.
The grant will be available for employers offering hazard pay during the eligible program period and will be administered by the Department of Community and Economic Development, or DCED. Who are those essential workers eligible to receive the grant? Here's Deputy Secretary, Office of Business Financing, Carol Kilco.
So many of those courageous Pennsylvanians answered the call. Our hospital workers, our first responders, they put their protective gear and helped save lives. Our transit workers provided transportation for many of our employees to be able to get to those jobs and provide the critical services that we needed for our citizens. Our child care providers, they were looking after the children of all of our essential workers, and manufacturers, food processors who continued to go to work and ensure that the critical supply chain remained intact. And so many more frontline workers in all of our life-sustaining industries really did the same.
In addition, life-sustaining industries include healthcare and social assistance, ambulatory healthcare services, hospitals, nursing and residential care facilities, transit and ground passenger transportation, food manufacturing, food retail facilities, security services for eligible industries, and also janitorial services are also included. In Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, Myla Simbulan, Eagle News, we live in interesting times. Anna?
Thank you, Myla, for your report. That's a really nice way to show gratitude to all of those frontline workers. And it's good to hear that it's not just limited to the healthcare workers. I'm wondering, can individual employees apply for this grant?
Oh yes, definitely. If you're eligible, applicants may apply for grants. The DCED has an online electronic single application for those who want to apply individually. The application is available. You can apply between July 16th to July 31st. Anna?
That's good. So that will be much help for, especially right now with the with the unemployment, the extended unemployment benefits will be expiring this month, right? Thank you,
Yes.
Myla. Stay safe out there.
You too, Anna. Thank you.